Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the dashboard of the RaceOption broker. As you saw in previous videos, we registered and verified our identity with this broker, and now you're on the main page of your user cabin. On this page, in the upper right corner, as you can see, you can click on this option to switch between your main account and demo account. On the left side, your account level is displayed, and as you can see, there is a trading back feature in this broker. If you incur losses in trades, a percentage of that trade will be returned to your account based on your user account level. In the next section, by clicking on the avatar option, you can see your level and the amount you have deposited so far. You also have the option of advance funds, which you can deposit into your account using a variety of methods. In the tutorial, various deposit methods are explained in separate videos. The next option in this section is called Wider Fans. You can withdraw via Tether, TRC20, and Bitcoin. Transaction history to view transaction details. Settings section offers options. First is payment for deposit, withdrawal, and transaction history. Verification section for identity verification if not done. Account section to manage accounts. Personal section to view info and change username. Security section to change password. Change website settings like language, time zone, or credibility settings like time frame unit or font. In verification, verify your account if not done. In account, manage your accounts. In personal, view and change personal info and username. In security, change your password. Adjust website settings like language and time zone. In customer service, click Add Ticket for support. Change notification settings and enable expert mode for advanced settings. In this section, you view your personal information and change your username. The next part is security, where you change your account password. After that, you modify some website-related settings like language, time zone, or other settings regarding website's credibility, like site's time frame, unit, or font. The next section is called customer service. If you encounter any issues on site, you visit this section and click on Add Ticket option to request support and assistance for various parts of site. The next part allows you to change notification settings, and by clicking on Next option, you enable expert mode, which provides you with some advanced settings for trading. In the next section, we again have customer service option, and in following option. The next section is called customer service. If you encounter any issues on the site, you can visit this section and click on the Add Ticket option to request support and assistance for various parts of the site. In the next part, you can change the notification settings, and by clicking on the next option, you can enable expert mode, which provides you with some settings for trading. In the next section, we again have the customer service option, and in the following option, if you have a promo code, you can enter it here and take advantage of its benefits. You will be provided with trading options. Next, we have customer service. If you have a promo code, enter it here to benefit. Notifications from the site will appear here. The most important trading tools are categorized under options or Forex. In the next section, if there are any notifications from the site for you, you will see them here. In the next section, see key trading tools for option or Forex, view tools, and use the AI option to utilize RaceOption Broker's AI, available only for options. Charts and analysis tools are explained in the tutorial video. On the left, My Trades shows your trading history. The next option is Turbo Saving, offering a capital investment proposal from RaceOption Broker. You can use AI of the RaceOption Broker for your trades. AI is for options only. In this section, you will see the charts and the necessary tools for analysis. First option on left is My Trades to view full trade history. The next option is Turbo Saving to invest capital for up to 128% annual profit. The next option is Copy Trading to copy others' trades and benefit from their results. The next section is Trading Contest and see their details in full. The next option is called Turbo Saving, which the RaceOption Broker offers you a proposed plan that you can invest your capital in. You can earn up to 128% annual profit, and payments for this investment plan are made daily. The next option is Copy Trading, where, as you saw in the copy trading video, you can copy the trades of other individuals for your trading account and benefit from their profits or losses. In the next section, we have Trading Contest, where, as mentioned earlier, all individuals who have an account with the RaceOption Broker can participate and receive cash and non-cash prizes based on the number of trades they make. The next section is Market Analysis, where you can gain information about the currency pairs you are currently trading in various categories. In this section, all individuals who have an account with RaceOption can participate and will receive cash and non-cash prizes based on the number of trades they make. The next section is market analysis, where you can gain information about the currency pairs you are currently trading in various categories. In the next section, you have the economic calendar. In the next section, you'll see the market news related to various currencies and systems. The next option is the Help Center, which answers your frequently asked questions about various parts of the website. If you can't find answers to your questions, you can submit a ticket for support or express your issue in the live chat section, and you can get help from the website's support. The next option is Trading Stats, which shows you a summary of your trading conditions and status. Following that, we have the Marketplace option, where you can purchase bonuses or boxes and benefit from their rewards. The next option is Invite a Friend, where you can earn a 20% bonus from the deposits of 2 of your friends. In the next chart, based on the number of trades you make, a percentage will be added to your account. This was a complete explanation about the different sections of your account with the RaceOption broker. If you have any questions or issues about any other part of this broker, share your questions with us in the comments. You can easily receive a 20% bonus simply from the deposits of 2 of your friends. And in the next chart, as you can see, based on the number of trades you make, a percentage will be added to your account. So as you can see, this was a complete explanation regarding the different sections of your account with the RaceOption broker. If you have any questions or issues regarding any other part of this broker, feel free to share your questions with us in the comments. Wishing you success and profits.